All right, so in this photograph, Venus looks like a cross between Earth and Mars. That's interesting. Does that mean there's life on half of it? Yeah, we are over at the universe today, and I'm talking about Venus. I love Venus. Theory proposes that Venus could have been habitable, but a large ocean slowed down its rotation, killing it. Whoa, oceans can kill a planet? That seems weird. The universe is a strange place. There's no sense in sugarcoating it. Well, I'm gonna sugarcoat it anyway. I like sugar. It's bad for you, though. It's like sweet poison. You know, if I got access to the CERN particle collider, I would collide particles of sugar so that you could make the ultimate refined sugar and then put it in frosting. Venus is a hellish place. Asterisk, we don't know what the hell Venus is, man. A lot of times the very first photo we ever saw was blue and white. JFK was like, Venus, Venus, Venus. And then he got shot. And then we gave up on Venus completely so we could concentrate on a planet that was totally dead, Mars. So excuse me, we may not sugarcoat it, but I'm going to take this with a grain of salt, buddy. It is the hottest planet in the solar system. All right, but which one do you think is the sexiest planet in the solar system? Like, if you had to have sex with another planet in our solar system, which would you pick? A serious question. It's atmosphere temperatures that are hot enough to melt lead. Oh, the air is also a toxic plume. Like everywhere? Every single square inch? You seem to be stereotyping a whole giant planet, man. And what do? We land like one or two things on the planet? We land a couple things on the planet so we know the whole planet is like? We know what the whole planet is like? The air is also a toxic plume, composed predominantly of carbon dioxide and sulfuric acid, rain clouds. And yet, scientists theorize that Venus was once a much different place. So is Earth. So is Earth, bro. It was like before smartphones, there's before digital, there's before television, there's before radio, there's before cars, there's before sundogs, there's before we harnessed electricity. So yeah, Venus was a much different place. Change is the one constant in the universe. That and God and love, with a cooler atmosphere and liquid oceans on its surface. So did the Earth pull it in? Did the sun pull it in? Does the sun eat planets? Is the sun slowly pulling in all the planets and eating them? And maybe it ate Mars and was like, you taste gross. You taste like war and dirt. I'm spitting you out. Unfortunately, this all changed billions of years ago as Venus experienced a runaway greenhouse effect, changing the